we start our event, certain rules and regulations needs to be followed. First of all, please don't call out your ward loudly. It is going to hamper their performance. Do you want them to give their best? Please don't take the videos or photos. Please, it's a request not to disturb photographers or videographers. And last but not the least, keep your mobile phone on silent to enjoy the event. Okay, thank you parents. We'll be starting the program shortly. Thank you for your patience. Good morning, respected school dignitaries, teachers, parents and my dear students. I, Miss Meenal, with my co-host Miss Binny, extend a warm welcome to everyone on this momentous occasion. Today, we have gathered to celebrate the beautiful milestone that represents one word and many stories. We are about to witness the wonderful journey that reflects the rhythm, color and soul of India, where diversity is not a difference but a celebration.
We thank our respected management for their unwavering support. Our 6th annual day celebration would not have been possible without their leadership and support of our wonderful school management.
We would also like to extend our deepest gratitude to our beloved director ma'am, Mrs. Aanchal Sen Soros, a visionary whose dedication and hard work inspires us all.
It gives us immense pleasure to welcome our esteemed principal ma'am, Mrs. Pallavi Gowdy, whose wisdom and dedication inspires everyone around her to strive for excellence.
We are delighted to welcome our Vice Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Susmi Vinay, for the leadership, encouragement and constant guidance. We would also like to welcome our pre-primary in charge, Mrs. Riddhi Sarvaya Ma'am, an embodiment of strength whose hard work and persistent encouragement have helped us reach our potential to the fullest. We would like to welcome our other support system, secondary in charges, Mrs. Shabana Sheikh and Mrs. Runa Syed. Our primary in charge, Mrs. Nikita Durgadi.
We would like to express heartfelt gratitude to our pre-primary teachers for their ongoing care, creativity and dedication to fostering our young students. Parents view them as merely teachers, but to kids, they are moms, doctors, nurses, choreographers, and many more jobs as needed to always encourage pupils with their warmth. We also welcome our non-teaching staff and ancillary staff for your dedication, making the celebration truly memorable. And most importantly, dear parents, your presence adds meaning to every moment of the celebration. Thank you for being our constant partners in nurturing your young minds. Welcome to the celebration of joy, talent, and togetherness.
To begin our celebration in the most auspicious manner, may I request our dignitaries and the in-charges of your sections to please come forward and light the ceremonial lamp, marking the beginning of our journey through time. To inaugurate the event, may I request everyone to please come forward for the lighting of the lamp to invoke blessings for our gathering.
The light of knowledge shines bright in this hall, illuminating the path for our children. We are grateful that our dignitaries have lit the lamp to mark the start of our journey.
It is an honor to felicitate our esteemed principal ma'am, Mrs. Pallavi Gaude. I would request our pre-primary in charge, Mrs. Radhi Sarvaya, to please come forward and kindly felicitate.
बुलेटिन यहाँ पे रुका भी देखा हाँ लेकिन भी कहाँ का आ गया ग्राउंड दिखाओ ना राजू भाई
It is also an honor to facilitate our esteemed Vice Principal, Mrs. Susmi Vinay ma'am. I would request pre-primary in charge, Mrs. Riddhi Sarvaya, to please come forward and felicitate. Thank you, ma'am.
Namaskaram, Sat Sri Akal, Vanakkam, Adab.
And last but not the least, Kem Cho, Majama. Did you miss actually notice I haven't started the show yet and almost crossed so many states of India.
Oh yes, India is just not a country, it's an emotional roller coaster. Every 100 kilometers, the language changes, the food changes, and even the way people say tea changes.
True that. Different languages, different attire, diverse food habits. Yet, there is one invisible thread that binds us all together. And that thread is
Ekatva, the soul of India.
we celebrate this unbreakable bond that connects every Indian.
Ekatva teaches us to stand together. Despite of our differences, we are united by a shared heritage, shared values, and shared dreams. Our culture may change, but our values remain the same: respect, tolerance, and harmony. So get ready for a colorful ride of dance, music, and culture, because the real stars of the states of India are about to steal the show.
Yes, so put your hands together, stomp your feet, and make some noise, parents! As our tiny thoughts take you on an Indian adventure, but not by train,
Not by bus.
not even by aeroplane, but with their tiny dancing feet and cute smiles. So parents, are you all excited? Yes! Ready to start the show? Yes! Okay. So on a bright and happy day, Miss Ivanshi and Miss Gauravi were into very serious and thoughtful conversation. Today, a beautiful dream where curiosity sparks in the mind of these little children.
What a lovely day today. But I don't know what to do now. I feel bored.
Your boredom is stronger than you. What should we do now?
Let's read a storybook.
No, last time I slept on page 2.
Then let's do coloring.
I colored my nose instead of my book.
Oh no, your nose is now a rainbow.
I need something exciting, something super duper fun.
Wait, my eyes are working. Zoom, zoom.
What did your eyes find?
Hey, look there. What is that big thing hanging on the wall? Wow, it is a map of India. It is so big and beautiful.
Oh yes, it is.
I wish I could travel all over the India.
Me too. So many states and so many beautiful places to see across.
Exactly. And each state tells us different stories.
Let's go on a pretend journey. I will be the train. Chup 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 chup.
And I will be the aeroplane. Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Oh no, my train is already tired.
And even my aeroplane needs fuel and sleep.
Yes, traveling is fun but also very tiring.
My eyes are going to blink, blink.
My legs are saying sit, sit.
Let's sit here and take a little rest.
Just for 1 minute.
Lord. Good night, India.
Good night, ma'am. Good night, train. Good night, aeroplane.
As the kids are discussing, exploring the states of India, they fall asleep and a magical dream begins.
My dear children, I am Bharat Mata. You wish to know me? So here I am.
We wished. When did we?
I wish for ice creams, chocolate, and whatnot. Can you grant me those? I wish I could grant, but let me recall your words. I wish I could travel all over India.
Are you really Bharat Mata? The one my teacher speaks about?
Yes, my children. I am Bharat Mata. I came to know that you wish to see different states of India.
Yes, we want to. We were so bored in this room. Nothing to do.
So, my little explorers, I shall grant you your wish. Is this wish for India or is it for ice creams, chocolates, and whatnot? This time it's India. Maybe next time it's your next wish. Oh, that's cool. So let us witness the beauty of India. Welcome to my magical land, India, where every state is a jewel in my crown. In the north, my mountains touch the sky. In the west, I shine with the deserts and brave stories. In the south, I flow with knowledge and nature. In the East, I sing through art and devotion. And in the heart of me, every state beats as one, strong and united. Wow, you're so colorful.
Yes, so many languages, attire, and dances, but still one country.
That's the magic of India, my children. Different states, different styles, but one heart and one soul. So tell me now, little explorers, which state shall we visit first?
Where should we go first?
Everywhere. I want to go to all the places in one day.
One day? You will need rocket shoes for that.
Okay. Let's choose one side first. East?
No, my shoes will get sleepy in the east.
Then the west?
Too many snacks there. I will eat the map also.
South?
My hair will get too curly in the heat.
Then where should we start? Let us use our brain.
Oh, let us start from the top of India and go all around in a circle.
Yes, north side first. Then we go round and round like a merry-go-round.
Bharat Mata, I wish to see the heaven and the pride of India.
I too wish to see the land which has a beautiful tulip garden. The one which I saw once in a movie.
Oh, I got it, my children. You are talking about one of our union territory, Jammu and Kashmir. Sure, I'll be glad to show you. Come with me.
Pack your shawls, slow down your heartbeat, and fall in love with nature all over again. Saffron, soul, and spice that only whispers from kava cups to Vaswan. Not a meal, but a legacy. Tradition wrapped in snow and soul. तो चलो शुभारंभ करें.
रिवायत, रवादारी ते मोहब्बत, ये है कश्मीर. प्लीज वेलकम आवर जूनियर केजी's debut performers.
Five, six, seven, eight.
पर्वत ने बाहें फैलाई, हरियाली ने गीत सुनाया।
कल कल बहती नदियों से प्यारा ये पैगाम है। चली कराता है कुदरत की जंजीर से। चली कराता है कुदरत की जागीर से। जुनून तो है जब हमारी सांसें हैं कश्मीर से। जुनून तो है जब हमारी सांसें हैं कश्मीर इसमें खुदा की नेमत है मौला का एहसास।
खीर भवानी शारदा मैया हम सबकी है आस।
प्रीत के धागों ने जोड़ा है, बड़े बुजुर्ग ये कहते हैं।
साक्षी है
खाली आगे पीछे जाके ना तुमको फटाफट साउंड देने को जमेगा। बाकी तेरे
Children, did you enjoy Jammu and Kashmir?
Yes, Mother.
It was so cold.
My nose is still freezing and my teeth are still going.
Now tell me, are you hungry after traveling so much?
Very, very, very hungry.
Then what would you like to eat?
I want hot tea. One full bucket, please.
A bucket of tea? You will float in it.
And I want soft idlis, like pillow idlis.
Tea and idlis? This is making my brain cook something.
Your brain can cook. Don't burn it.
Tea comes from the tea gardens in the east, and idlis come from the south.
Oh yes, two famous places.
Assam is famous for tea plantations.
And Kerala is famous for yummy idlis and dosa.
First we will visit Assam and then Kerala.
Yes, we agree. Let's go.
So parents, it's time to visit a beautiful state tucked in India's northeast. Imagine a place where you can hear the rhythm of rain on tea leaves. Lush green tea plantations, जहाँ चाय की खुशबू और कल्चर का सुकून मिलता है. A blend of nature with ancient traditions, the beat of Bihu to the calmness of misty morning. With a huge round of applause, please welcome Nursery Dove. Parents, it's a request, please don't call Miss. Please be seated, parents.
Dear parents, it's a very humble request. They are very tiny ones on the stage. When they look at you, they will start calling you out. They'll be distracted. They have really practiced very hard for more than a month. So please, you can sit in your places. If you really wish to encourage, just clap. We have already told you, we are giving you videos, we have live YouTube, everything is there. Just sit back and relax and enjoy. I request all the parents who are standing here, please be seated. It's a humble request. It distracts the students for them. Thank you so much. Please madam, please sir. Please, it's a humble request. Please understand. We understand your emotions, but we are concerned about them as well. Madam, please. 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 It becomes difficult. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for understanding. It's for your kids. Enjoy what they're doing on the stage. Thank you so much.
Five, six, seven, eight.
It was the
standing behind, please take a seat. It's a humble request, please take a seat.
So how did you feel, children? Did you enjoy?
Wow, it was so lovely. Yes, Bharat Mata, we loved it. Everything was so beautiful.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Now, are you ready for your next journey?
Yes, Bharat Mata, we are going now.
Now, let's go to the God's own state, Kerala.
Does God live there too?
No, my child. It means Kerala is very beautiful and peaceful with green coconut trees, backwaters and yummy food.
Backwaters?
Yes, you can sit in a houseboat and enjoy the ride. Come children, let us go and explore beautiful Kerala.
We are about to witness a land so peaceful, even stress goes on vacation. Basically, nature's Wi-Fi towers, coconut trees everywhere. A state where flavors are served in banana leaves. Its culture is shaped by classical dance forms like Kathakali, vibrant festival like Onam and Vishu. A land of misty rolling hills and scenic beauty of Munnar. All right, let's take a quick explore, none other than Kerala, where nature, culture and traditions come together. Please welcome Tiny Tots of Nursery Falcon.
5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I've come so far from where I begin. Slow sound of the waves, the breeze on the skin. Wish that I could be back in my homeland, singing da 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 da. Kuttinadan kunjile da 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 da. Kochu vinni kuilani da 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 da. Kottu vinam puravinam puravavinam. Kottu vinam puravinam puravavinam. Oh.
What an adorable performance with wonderful moves. It was simply outstanding, isn't it, parents?
So children, how did you feel after visiting Kerala? Bharatmata. It was so green and fresh. My eyes are still saying wow. And there was water everywhere. I almost started swimming on the stage. Happy to hear that. Are you ready for the next adventure? Yes. Where are we going now? Somewhere dry, please. My socks are still wet. Then let's go to the land of kings, Rajasthan. Kings? Will I get a crown? And I want a camel. Come children, let's ride into Royal Rajasthan. Yeehaw! Off to Rajasthan!
Gani Khamma, Gani Khamma. अब हमारी यात्रा एक नई दिशा की ओर जा रही है, जहां रेत सुनहरी है और किले कहानियां सुनाते हैं और हर घूमर में शान झलकती है. The land of royal palaces, majestic kings, gracious queens and dominant mustaches. तो तैयार हो जाइए शान, स्वाभिमान और संस्कृति की झलक देख लीजिए. पेश है रंगीला राजस्थान. Huge round of applause for Junior KG Falcon.
Five, six, 5, 6, 7, 8.
पधारो
Did you enjoy Rajasthan? Bharat Mata. I felt like a king. I was walking like this. And I rode a camel. It went up and down, all the way. That's great to hear. Ready for your next stop? Yes, but my legs are tired of royal walking. And my camel ran away with my shoes. Then it's time to give your legs a new dance. Dance? My legs are confused already. Mine only knows camel walking. Let's teach them a new step in colorful Gujarat. Gujarat? Will my legs learn magic dancing then? And will they spin like tops? Yes, children. You'll see bright clothes, happy music, and Garba dance everywhere. Oh, my legs are ready now. Mine too. No more camel walk, only Garba walk. Come, children. Let's dance our way to Gujarat.
લાંબો ડગલો મૂછો વાકડી શીરે ભાકડી રાતી હું છેલ છબીલો ગુજરાતી હું છેલ છબીલો ગુજરાતી તા થૈયા થૈયા તા થઈ. Please give a huge round of applause to them parents. Welcome to the land where Garba beats to Gujarati trees. From small shops to global companies, even a small conversation can turn into business opportunities. Gujarat knows business best. The spirit and a state where every corner celebrates life. If happiness had flavor, it would taste like Gujarati snacks. Hard work, smart thinking, and business spirit. That's the vibrant soul of India, Gujarat. Please welcome Senior KG Dove to represent Gujarat.
5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
जय गुजरात जय
ચોમાસામાં ભજીયા તળો ચોમાસામાં ભજીયા તળો ને પેલા જેટલા મારે
So children, how did you enjoy the colorful Gujarat?
My feet are still spinning. Garba made them dizzy.
And my hands are still clapping by themselves.
I'm glad you had fun. Ready for your next stop?
Yes, but somewhere close to our home now. My bag is getting heavy.
And my tummy wants familiar food.
Then let's go to the west of India, to our own state, Maharashtra.
Oh, that's where we live. Home sweet home.
Come children, let's march proudly to Maharashtra.
Jai Maharashtra! Ami yeto!
Dear parents, we would like to welcome our beloved director ma'am, Mrs. Achal Sani Soros, a visionary whose dedication and hard work inspires us all. Please give a huge round of applause. India is like TV with 1,000 channels. You change one channel and boom, a new culture. So grab your remote, press next and welcome the channel called Maharashtra. A land where Ganpati arrives in grand celebration, hearts filled with faith and devotion. The fearless legacy of Chhatrapati Shivaji. This state stands tall with pride and progress. Bold, busy and beautiful. Apla Jing Jing Jingar Maharashtra. Please welcome Senior KG Falcon to perform for the final dance performance of this memorable event.
6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
मां भवानी का पुत्र, मराठों की शान, मातृभूमि पर सर्वस्व न्यौछावर करके बचाए थे अपनों के प्राण। ऐसे वीर धरती पुत्र मराठा गौरव के दक्षिण के शेर श्री 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 छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज। जागता शंका कदम से उसके हड्डी कांपे। नाम था उसका अफजल खान।
आओ शिवाजी आओ, आओ हमारे गले लग जाओ।
बाहों में गर्दन दबाकर के खान ने पीठ पर खंजर मार दिया। महाराज को शक तभी हो गया, मां भवानी का स्मरण किया और फाड़ के रखा पेट खान का शेरे नाखून से वार किया।
संजीवनी देते, उग्र रूपा मागे सुद्धा वात्सल्य वाहते, तुझ्या कृपा दृष्टीचे मी दान मागते। गोंधळ मांडिते ग आई गोंधळ मांडिते।
huge round of applause for our rock stars for their energetic performance. What a wonderful tribute to the vibrant culture of Maharashtra.
Children, how did you feel after visiting our lovely Maharashtra?
It felt like my house got bigger. Everywhere I went, it said, "Welcome."
Maharashtra is full of courage, culture, and care.
Yes, people here work hard and smile big.
And the food, my tummy is still saying modak, modak. And now you have seen north, east, south, and west of India. Tell me, what did you learn?
Bharat Mata, I learned that India is a big thali. So many dishes, but all tasty.
Yes, with different attire, dances, foods, and languages, but all are one. That's right. India is special because of its unity and diversity.
Unity in diversity. That's a big word for my little mouth.
It means we may look different, speak different languages, and eat different food, but our hearts beat together. We live together with love, respect, and happiness.
Like in school, one class, many kids.
And we all share crayons, even the broken ones. Yes, when we respect every culture and every language, India becomes strong and beautiful.
So India is just not a country.
It's our big family.
I had such a long dream.
Me too. I was dancing, riding camels, and drinking tea all at once.
Wait, was that all a dream?
Yes, but a beautiful dream about our India.
Now I understand. India has many cultures and languages,
but one heart and one love. We are proud to be Indians. Bharat Mata ki Jai!
Parents, please give a huge round of applause for stars of our state. Vedanshi Kohli as Bharat Mata, Ivanshi Rajan and Gauravi Kesarwani as friends. Stage performance in front of an audience at this age is truly commendable, wasn't it, parents?
It was indeed a modest attempt to make a 6th annual day celebration more joyful, melodic, and meaningful. I hope our efforts have touched your hearts.
Today, we have explored the beauty of India like reading a book, where every chapter teaches a new way to think, eat, speak, and celebrate. From traditions to tastes, we learn unity in diversity, and we return home richer, not just in memories, but in understanding. And that's what we call Ekatva, the soul of India. Moving forward, I would like to request our respected principal ma'am, Mrs. Pallavi Gaude, to please take the center stage and say a few words.
Very, very warm welcome to respected dignitaries, our director, Mrs. Achal Senisaurus ma'am. Thank you for being a part of the event. All my wonderful parents, a loud round of applause for a spectacular audience, I would say. Thank you. I understand after such a wonderful show, none of us has the stomach to listen to a long speech. Do not worry, it's not going to be a longer one. Just what we feel and what we try to display here. The theme of the year, Ekatva, the soul of India. Of course, as I always say at GCC International School and GCC Kinderland, we always try to inculcate certain values among the students through every event and activity that we do. And this was our modest attempt, as Ms. rightly said, this was a modest attempt to help inculcate the value of unity in the word diversity. It was very difficult for them to pronounce the word diversity, but though they were not able to pronounce it, but I'm very sure they have lived the word, they have understood the meaning, because every child that had performed here on the stage, we could see the soul of India in them. They were not bothered which language do they speak at home, which state do they belong to, but here they were part of the entire India. And we are very proud that each and every one of my tiny tot who were on the stage, if you would have seen, they were lip-sync the song. They were trying to do it. Even the nursery students, the expressions, the moments, there were certain students who were not able to move. The others were guiding them. And this is what we call unity in diversity. They belong to different religions, different states. But yes, here they are human beings. And this is what we are trying to create, a good human being for the future generation. I would really love to thank I really appreciate each and every child who was on the stage. It takes courage to come up here, dress up and perform. So once more a loud round of applause for all my tiny tots. Thank you. And of course, a big thank you. There's of course going to be a vote of thanks after this, which I won't do it now, but a big thank you to all my teachers. They deserve a loud round of applause. They have taken great pains to train these, and you all know as parents how difficult it is to train one child at home. They have trained, and I'm very, very proud. Today on this stage there are 390 students performing in 3 different slots. So a big thank you to all my in-charges, all my teachers. And of course I would like to summarize this with a small poem. Different languages, different clothes, from the Himalayan peaks to where the ocean flows. Our rhythm in our hearts, one soul beneath our feet. In every stranger's smile, a brother we meet. Like colors in a rainbow or beads upon a thread, it's the soul of oneness by which we are led. It's the soul of Ekatva by which we are led. Thank you, dear parents, for being here on this morning. Yes, but I will not end this. The show can't end without few words. I would not say the word speech, but yes, few heartfelt words by none other than our beloved director ma'am. She's here, and we will not leave you without saying a few words to the parents. They are eager to listen to you. So we please welcome ma'am Achal Senisaurus. She's here amongst us, and a few words from her. Please ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, dear parents. Very warm welcome. The vibe and energy of the room is very different today when I came. So thank you all for your vibrant energy. So मैं हमेशा प्रोग्राम्स में आने के लिए मना कर देती हूँ मैम को, क्योंकि she always pulls me out to talk something. And honestly, I'm not the ones who like giving speeches and bore you all. But ठीक है, sometimes it's important. So I hope you all enjoyed the show. I'm sure you all, because I could really see you all clapping and enjoying, and that was the whole point. And it's really very special to see our little ones on the stage. So as a parent, I can truly understand your emotions and your expressions, and these are the moments as families that we cherish, right? So wonderful, your vibrance, energy really motivates our students also to perform well. And before I say anything else, of course, the team, the GCC Kinderland team has really worked hard and put in a wonderful show for us today. So Riddhi Miss and the team and Susmi, Principal Ma'am, everyone, very well done. Days like this, 2 minutes before you want me to sit again. Days like today, take me back to the days when we actually conceptualized GCC International School. So before we conceptualized GCC International School, it was GCC Kinderland that we actually conceptualized. And the initial plan was that we start our school only till senior KG. We had no plans of starting it till grade 2 in the first year. This I'm talking about 2016. 10 years this year for us. Yes, so the plan was to make our school only till senior KG, to see the response of the parents. Then we gradually moved the school upwards. But since year 1, we received such a positive response from parents, and the parents insisted that ma'am आप grade 2 तक खोलिए, क्योंकि हमारे बड़े बच्चे भी हैं, so we'll send both the kids to the same school. So it was because of our parents who pushed us that no, you open till grade 2. It was the GK parents who pushed us, and then we decided, okay, we will open it till grade 2, and that's how we started in 2016 till grade 2. So it was not about adding classes, but it was more about listening to our parents, listening to the community of our parents. And since day 1, we've always had one philosophy, not making the school for our parents, but it's making the school with our parents. So that was a very important thought for us, and till date we have maintained that. And it's only because of our parents' trust that we have reached till here. What we started as 100 students in 2016, 10 years, I can say here we are touching 1,600 students. And my Binder school, and the Binder school has touched 200 parents, 200 students. So now at evening we have their show also. So in total we have about 1,800 student strength now. And of course, expansion plans in the future for the school, which I don't want to talk much now. So yes, thank you parents, and once again, thank you for trusting us with your precious gift, that is your children. So thank you once again, and thank you dear team, wonderful show, and keep up the good work. Thank you everyone. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Great performances are not created overnight. They are a result of vision, dedication, teamwork, and countless hours of silent efforts behind the scenes. As we come to the closure of this, As we come to the closure of this spectacular celebration, filled with vibrant performances, radiant smiles, and unforgettable memories, I stand before you with immense gratitude in my heart. Today's annual day was not just an event. It was a celebration of talent, creativity, and collective spirit of our school family. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed management and Director Ma'am. Your unwavering support and belief in holistic education and your constant encouragement empower us to create platforms where our students can explore, excel, and beyond academics. Your vision continues to inspire us to aim higher in each coming year.
I sincerely thank our respected Principal Ma'am for the remarkable leadership and guidance that transformed this vision into reality. Your meticulous planning, your encouragement and dedication have ensured that every detail of today's celebration reflected excellence.
My special thanks to our Vice Principal for the continuous support, coordination, and tireless supervision that helps stream every aspect of this grand event. I would also like to acknowledge our heads of the school whose dedication and teamwork ensured smooth execution across all sections.
A sincere expression of thanks to our pre-primary in charge, Mrs. Riddhi Savaya Ma'am, for her efforts in mentoring both staff and students, played a vital role in shaping today's success. Thank you, ma'am, for your commitment, hard work, and for always guiding us towards excellence. We truly appreciate your steady presence and guidance, which has been very valuable. A huge round of applause for our incredible teachers! From choreographing performances to rehearsing tirelessly, from managing costume to guiding students with patience and passion. You have truly gone above and beyond. Your commitment and creativity have brought this stage alive tonight, wasn't it, parents?
And now, the shining stars of this evening are students. Your confidence, enthusiasm, discipline, and dazzling performances have left us all spellbound, isn't it, parents? Each act showcased not just the talent, but hard work and determination. You are true pride of our institution.
A special thanks to the voiceover done by Miss Quran Gandhi, Miss Joanne Matthew, and Miss Srujana Patil, whose narrative expression brought life and emotions to the skit. Behind every successful event is a strong support system. I extend my heartfelt appreciation to our non-teaching staff, our social media team for beautifully capturing and sharing these precious moments, our accounts department for ensuring smooth financial coordination behind the scenes. Also, our IT personnel for handling the technical aspects seamlessly and ensuring uninterrupted presentation and sound. To our facility manager for overseeing arrangements and logistics with precision. Our dedicated ancillary staff, whose silent efforts in maintaining cleanliness, organizing spaces, and assisting throughout the day made this event possible. Your collective efforts may not always be visible on the stage, but they are deeply valued and appreciated.
Last but not the least, a heartfelt thankful to our wonderful parents. Your presence today with added warmth and pride to this celebration. As we conclude this memorable annual day, let us carry forward the spirit of creativity, confidence, and collaboration that we witnessed today. May this celebration inspire our students to dream big, work hard, and shine even brighter in the years to come. Thank you all once again for your support, dedication, and enthusiastic participation.
Here is to many milestones and celebration together. A big round of applause. Parents are requested to be seated in the auditorium. We will be dispersing learners class-wise. Now, may I request all of you to kindly rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you, parents. Please be seated. We'll make an announcement regarding the dispersal.